So my name is Mitch Zischke and I'm an assistant professor at Purdue University and a fishery specialist with Illinois-Indiana Sea Grant. I work with anglers and scientists and managers in Lake Michigan to talk about recreational fisheries issues and promote collaboration between those stakeholders. I'm a fish biologist and a fisherman, and I can say that there are definitely weird things about both groups of people. When I host workshops, it's hard to tell who the fishermen are and who the scientists are because they both look like they've just stepped off a boat. It can be strange and sometimes challenging working with these groups, but they do offer some really unique perspective. Anglers will bring in photo albums of their trophy catches, and it's sometimes difficult to get those out of the hands of the scientists. So I think it's really valuable having all groups there so that they can learn from each other.